Hello again everyone. Hi, this is this is part 3 of my video, the Santay Barley story. Again, still welcome dito sa ating manufacturing facility in New Zealand. Yan. And right now, I'm with my son, Christian, my eldest son.
Morning po dyan.
Morning in the Philippines yata ngayon. Morning in the Philippines. It's good afternoon here in New Zealand. So para safe tayo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our partners who's watching from all over the globe. Alright, so this afternoon, I'll be answering again another question. But before I do that, quick tour ko muna kayo sa manufacturing facility. You know, this is one of the strengths of Santay International. We own a manufacturing facility. Okay? Meron tayong manufacturing facility sa New Zealand. First Filipino company, or you'll never know, we might be the first Asian company na merong sariling facility sa New Zealand. So before we answer yung question, tutur ko muna kayo, pakita ko lang sa inyo, no, di ba? This is the entire location of our facility. This is our drying facility, right? Nasa likod yung pinaka-manufacturing. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko kayo pwedeng dalhin doon kasi medyo yung technology natin, we're protecting it, di ba? Baka makaka-copy ng ibang countries. Pero yung sophistication ng ating drying facility is in the inside. Nasa likod nitong mga container van na to. Okay? Itong mga container van na to, ready na punuin ng product, shipping to different countries, especially the Philippines, right? So, ito naman yung admin office. Okay? So, ito yung kotse ko rito. The Santay car, right? So, ito yung ating admin office where the general manager of our manufacturing facility nag-office, and then yung mga partners ko rito, paminsan-minsan, of course, they also go here. My partners here in the manufacturing facility. So, ito yung buong area natin dito. Tingnan ko lang kayo, di ba? Bago natin sagutin yung napaka-importanting tanong. Alright. So, going back to part 3 of our Santay Barley story series, alright? Number 3 na tayo eh. Number 3. May questions uli na tinanong sa akin. Daming questions. But this is, I think, one of the most important questions that was asked recently by some of our customers and business owners. Christian, yung tanong na yun?
Yun nga pa, daming ko nga nakita na questions dun sa mga partners mo na bakit mas mababa ang presyo ng Santay Barley kaysa sa ibang barley brands dito sa market or sa Philippine market.
Yeah.
Mas maganda pa quality nila, masarap pa yung barley nila. Bakit ba?
Yeah, nadinig ko na yung mga tanong na yan eh. Other companies are saying na mataas daw yung price ng product nila kasi mas pure sila, mas maganda yung quality nila, kaya wag daw maniniwala sa mga brands na mas mura ang pricing sa kanila kasi hindi pure yun. Well, I don't want to comment on that already. Pero what I would like to give you na lang is some facts, okay, about Santay Barley. Bakit ba mas mura yung barley ng Santay compared to a lot of brands in the market? Alright? A lot of brands in the market. Again, sinasabi ko na yung produkto natin mas mura, pero hindi ko yung sinasabing cheap. Magkaiba kasi yun, diba? Bakit mura yung produkto ng Santay? Because after several years of doing the business, we focus on our supply chain, right? Pag sinabing supply chain, ito yung paggalaw ng produkto mo, raw materials, simula hanggang dulo. Pag sinabing simula, magmula nung tinanim yun. At pag sinabing dulo, ito yung finished product na, di ba? So we focus on building our supply chain. And a part of that, the building of the supply chain is what we call as we focus on looking at yung bago dumating yung produkto sa Pilipinas, simula, we want it to be vertically integrated. Okay. Ano ba yung word na vertically integrated? There's a possibility that a company, para further makatipid sa acquisition of raw materials, minsan binibili na nila even yung supplier nila. Diba? Kasi pag bibili ka sa supplier, may mga middleman, nothing against suppliers and middlemen. Siyempre, pag bibili ka ron, may patong pa yun kasi they need to earn also. Tama, diba? So what Santay did is to vertically integrate. Okay? What is vertical integration? Yun nga, binili natin at in-acquire natin yung supplier natin. So, ano nangyari? Several years ago, 4, 5 years ago, this is way back, bago ba mag-pandemic, we've decided to acquire a manufacturing facility in partnership with our suppliers. Nangyari dyan yung supplier natin, nakikita nila yung growth ng Santay at in-anticipate nila na Sante can grow big in the next coming years, so we need a new facility to support Sante. Pero paano natin masusuporta ng Sante kung yung facility natin kulang? So ang ginawa nila, they've decided to set up a new company and build a new manufacturing facility na mas latest na technology. At in-invite nilang Sante to be one of the major partners. So right now, we're one of the 3 partners, okay, in the manufacturing facility here in New Zealand. Tayo nang may-ari. So kung tayo na yung may-ari ngayon, wala nang middleman na dinadaanan. Sante Philippines, bumibili ng produkto sa Sante New Zealand, who is our, Sante New Zealand, by the way, is our company here in New Zealand. Yan ang pinaka-buying office natin. At yung Sante New Zealand, okay, yan ang nakikipag-coordinate dun sa manufacturing facility. Ang brand ng manufacturing facility is FDL. And FDL, yung nagmay-ari nitong facility na to, is partly owned by Sante International. Okay ba yan? So isa tayo sa may-ari. Tatlo lang naman ang may-ari nito. Tayo pangatlo. Yung dalawang kapartner natin, ang strength naman nun, they are 2 of the biggest organic farmers in New Zealand. So nakita niyo yun? Sante, the marketing company, partnering with 2 of the biggest organic farmers in New Zealand, nag-form tayo ng alliance at ito, naitayo natin yung manufacturing facility. So kung tayo na may-ari ng manufacturing facility, it only means one thing. Hindi na kailangan patungan yung presyo, di ba? So we buy the raw materials straight from the facility. So pinakamababang presyo. Kaya pagdating sa Pilipinas yan, hindi natin kailangan taasan yung presyo. Bakit mo tataasan? Just to present to people na mas maganda kami, mas mahal kami? No. We are selling the products at the fair price. So if anyone is saying na kaya mas mura ang Sante kasi hindi pure yan, sorry. We're the ones who started pure barley in the Philippines. Kasi pure barley natin sa Philippines, di ba? Remember that? Sante Pure Barley, that's our initial brand. It's Sante Barley with stevia. Pero pure barley yun. Nilagyan lang natin ng stevia para may sweetener, di ba? Pero right now, of course, we have the best of both worlds. Kasi we have barley or Sante Barley in sachets, box of 10s, box of 30s, na merong stevia. Meron rin tayong Sante Barley, box of 10s, box of 30s, lalabas to a few weeks time, na walang stevia. Meron na rin tayong canister of 200 grams with stevia and without stevia. Meron na rin tayong, of course, ito yung mas nauna, Sante Barley in a capsule. Now, we have the most complete lines of barley products in the market. Ang dami niyong options. Bakit mura ang produkto natin? Well, mura, hindi cheap. Diba? Bakit mura? Tayo may-ari ng manufacturing facility. And that's the reason why we can give the product at a very competitive and fair price. So I really hope na sana nasagot na yung katanungan na yan. Alright, bakit mas mura ang Sante? So for all of you who's watching right now, who haven't tried Sante, hindi mo tinatry ang Sante, kasi ang tingin mo, baka mas mura yan, baka hindi maganda yan, just try out Sante. Packaging pa lang makikita mo na, pag natikman mo yung product, iba pa rin ang lasa ng barley from New Zealand. Bakit iba ang lupa dito sa New Zealand? That is the advantage that what we have in Sante International. Alright? So, kung hindi mo pa natatry ng Sante Barley, maybe this is the right time for you to try our product. Hindi ka lang nakatipid, nakagamit ka pa ng pinaka magandang barley sa buong mundo, coming from the beautiful country of New Zealand. So thank you very much for watching the part 3 of my video, the Sante Barley story. This is Joey Marcelo. I'm the CEO of Sante, and of course I have here with me my son Christian. Naalala ko lang, siya nga pala yung original na barley boy. Barley baby boy. Alright? So maraming barley baby boys dito. Barley baby boys and barley baby girls in Sante. Right? So thank you, Christian, for joining me in this FB Live. Thank you very much to all of you who watched the part of my video, because what we wanted to happen lang naman talaga is for a lot of people to be able to try Sante Barley. That happens to be the best barley in the world coming from New Zealand. And you have to be proud because Sante International is owned by a Filipino company. Kahit mga Pilipino po ang may-ari nito. Of course, may kumpanya na tayo sa New Zealand. So multinational tayo. Filipino nagsimula nito at tayo na ang may-ari ng manufacturing facility in New Zealand. So you have to be proud of that. And ito ang patunay. Nandito ako ngayon sa planta sa New Zealand. Hindi kwento to. Hindi lang gimmick to. This is reality. This is the truth. This is our manufacturing facility. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you all always. Watch out for the part 4 of my video of this series. Thank you. God bless. Bye, everyone.